The name of my research group is the Ocean Microbiology Group, and we study the ocean's smallest inhabitants, the bacteria, algae and viruses, and try to understand their impact on the function of the ocean. The marine microbes, although they're invisible, make up the base of the marine food web. They control the ocean's major chemical cycles, which can influence climate, and they also influence the health of marine plants and animals, and some even influence human health. Some of our group's most impactful recent research has been trying to understand the causes and sources of contamination of coastal environments, such as beaches that people use for recreation. We're using new approaches to try to understand the microbiological hazards within these environments. Our research is impactful because these microbes control ocean function. Although they're invisible, they make up the base of the food web, and they control the chemical cycles that ultimately govern our climate. Another interesting area of research within our group is bringing our science to industry by trying to understand the causes of oyster disease. These diseases have led to mass die-offs of oysters within the oyster aquaculture in Australia over the last few years, and we're using our microbiological techniques to try to understand the causes. Some of the most exciting research that we're focusing on at the moment is using new tools like microfluidics to zoom in the behaviours of marine microorganisms in their natural environment, to understand how their ecological interactions might impact the function of the entire ocean. I think the future of our group's research will be focusing further on the impact that microbes have on the natural environment. Across all areas of science, we're understanding how important microbes are in the health of other organisms, and I think we'll just learn more and more about how important these microbes are in the planet.